Here we have a 1986 Yamaha YZ250S. This would make a great Evo race bike for next year. These are great bikes and there are plenty of spares available, so they're a good buy. And I don't reckon this one needs much work at all. The engine looks to be in great condition with no damage to the cases. As you'd expect, the engine and the frame numbers are both present. It doesn't look in bad condition at all. At some point, the frame has been painted in the wrong shade of red, which isn't an issue if it's going to be for a race bike. The chrome on the rear shock looks good, and the shock has damping, which is great news. The main body of the expansion chamber has a few dents, but they're only minor and they will definitely blow out. The frame rails are all in perfect condition. It's got a lovely gold front rim, which again is in perfect condition. The front fender bolts have snapped off in the triple clamps, so they're going to need a little bit of fettling. And there's a bit of pitting on the right chrome, on the chrome of the right fork leg. But it's not on the sliding area, so it can just be cleaned up. The front brake's not working, and I'm pretty sure it's going to need either a new master cylinder or a replacement glass and a rebuild. And the clutch cable's seized, but the actual clutch actuator does work. The front of the expansion chamber is in near perfect condition. And the left side of the motor is really good, just like the right. The bike could do with a plastic kit. The swing arm looks in great condition, as does the rear wheel. So overall, it's a great bike, a lovely, easy project bike. Let's check the gears and then get a running. So we're in neutral there. First gear. Second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and fifth gear, and then back down, fourth, third, second, that's back into first, and then neutral. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to do the restoration work for anyone who's looking for a bike but doesn't want to actually do the build themselves. Let me know if you want to do that and we can work some kind of deal out. Contact me on 01772 394 150 or email matt@phoenixmotos.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or follow me.